Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to color code folders in Google Drive. This is a great way to stay organized and quickly identify important folders at a glance. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. Locate the folder you want to customize and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, hover over Change Color. You'll see a palette of different colors you can choose from. Click on the color you want and the folder will instantly update with your selected shade. This makes it easy to visually separate work projects, school assignments, or personal documents. If you want to change it later, simply repeat the same steps and pick a new color. You can even use a color coding system, for example, blue for work, green for personal, and red for urgent projects. Color coding doesn't affect the content of the folders but makes your Google Drive much easier to navigate, especially if you're managing many files and folders. With just a few clicks, you can transform your drive into a more organized and visually clear workspace. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.